Girl, don't do it. It's not worth it. I'm not gonna do it, girl. I was just thinking about it. I'm not gonna do it. I did it.
That clip is my life. Kid you not, the way Nika's clickbaits are online, especially during sales, it's so hard to resist, and I'm such an impulsive buyer. And I bought it. I did. And I'm guilty about it because in my past video, I managed to say this.
So basically, I want to buy a Huda Beauty palette, but I am too scared right now because I'm a beginner myself and I do not want to invest 2,450 on a stupid eyeshadow palette. It is not stupid, I love it. I'm gonna take that back, but I just wanna, really like start with like basic eyeshadow palettes and then move my way up and earn it.
And I end up with this. So I'm just gonna quickly open it for you guys to make you see how it is. It's got a very nice purple packaging, which is basically my favorite color, and that's how it looks. It's so pretty. And yeah, and I got it like some 4-5 days back, but I was waiting for my fresh set of brushes to come, but they didn't come in time because of lockdown. So we're gonna go ahead with my old brushes, and it's just so beautiful. I don't want to use it. Like, just look at it. It is beautiful. I wish I had these eyes, but I don't. So without further ado, we're gonna get started with this video with my first Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette. Let's go! So for this video, I'm going to be following this makeup artist by the name of Nikkie. She's got a YouTube channel, Nikkie Tutorials, and I love her for the fact that, we have the same issues in life like hooded eyes. So yeah, I'm going to follow her existing video and go step by step with it. Please do not please do not expect it to be perfect because I'm not a makeup artist. And let's get started. I'm so excited. So she uses desert sand. So basically she puts it on her entire upper eyelid. After that, she takes the color amber and basically create a false upper eyelid, considering we have hooded eyes. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. And now in the inner corners, I'm going to go with the shade Eden with the same brush, just lightly dusting off the extra that is left. Not bad. That's me basically like just telling myself that it's going to be fine. Like, sure, Kriti, it's going to be fine. Okay, so I've blended both the colors together. Honestly, I went back to Nikkie's video to see if I was doing it right. And for some reason in her video, the colors have just come more vibrant. And for me, it's come mediocre. Like, I'm really happy with the pigmentation. Like, this color is exactly what I expect on my skin. Or is it because I'm dusky that I'm not getting such pigmented? Or should I apply more? I have so many questions running through me right now. I don't know. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and move to the next step, which is basically the cut crease. So I'm going to basically apply concealer from my inner corner to the midsection, which I absolutely despise doing. I'm so clumsy with it, but we're gonna do it anyway. Like, do I have a choice really? Yeah. I don't have my concealer. I'm gonna get it. I mean, I could have just not worn pants and no one would have ever gotten to know. Right? No? Yeah, kind of laser. So, I'm using the Wet n Wild concealer corrector, something that I got from Jovita's videos.
And it's bomb, especially for the kind of scarring I have. Hell yeah!
I'm gonna leave it just like this and then basically take this tiny little brush and define it further into my crease lines. I did a stupendous job with this one, and the other one was quite crap. Let's control the damage, you all! You know when you wear eyeliner and you have this good side and the bad side? Kid you not, this is the bad one. I think this is a decent job done. However, I mean, I just feel better when I tap it with my fingers, which are clean, so might as well. Okay, so now that we are done with this, we are going to use the shade Twilight. Huda said that, you know, it has a tendency to fall out, so I'm gonna be cautious and I'm actually gonna spray my brush with a setting spray and then use the eyeshadow. I need to get the setting spray also.
God, hard work. Damn.
So I'm gonna take this flat brush and I'm going to use this setting spray by Faces Canada. I am not fond of this setting spray because it spits, literally spits, rather than having that mist that, you know, you can do that, but you can't. It literally spits, so that's that. So I've already sprayed some. God bless me.
Wow. I hope my stupid phone is able to pick up the shine that this shade has. It's beautiful.
There's a dent already.
Can you see how beautiful this is? I feel like a mermaid. Oh my god, the shade is everything. I mean, honestly, I think Huda should just make one bottle of it. Like, such a beauty. I think it's beautiful. Yep, it is. Also, I feel like such an Indian that I don't want to dig into it.
Okay, so I have finally finished with Twilight. It's such a beautiful color. I can see a little craters in it. I'm gonna put a picture right now. And now for the final step, I'm going to take Eden again and start basically creating that seamless flow from my inner corner to my outer corner. Fall out! Shit. Okay, I'm gonna take out to basically deepen my smoky eyes. I'm running out of words now, guys. Now I'm just going to use Nefertiti.
Sorry, I'm such a weirdo.
I'm going to take a smaller brush and basically put Nefertiti on my inner corners of my eye for that oomph factor. And I hope Huda is watching this video, or her PR team, that they send me free stuff, because it's expensive, it's lockdown, we have pay cuts and it hurts.
So much, but it's so worth it. I cannot tell you. I mean, I'm so happy right now.
Okay, so now we're going to do the lower waterline. Basically follow the same palettes that we used above. So I'm gonna start with maybe Earth, go to Amber, and then go to Eden to create a very transitioning effect. This is the final look, you guys. I'm going to finish this look with a pair of eyelashes. I'm absolutely horrendous at putting eyelashes, but surely you can have this form of entertainment. See me put lashes, cry a river.
Also, if you all might be considering that if I've got Huda Beauty eyelashes, I'm not. I cannot afford to spend 1500 rupees on a pair of lashes. So I'm going to do with this Nikkie lash, which is only 200 bucks because we are cheap. So yeah.
So this is the final look. I've completed this look with this extra dramatic eyelashes. I've also put a winged liner and I could not record it because my phone died. And apart from this, I've used like a very soft pink blush and completed this look with brown matte lipstick from Lakme. So I hope you liked this video and you found it helpful. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. I need your support. I want to get to that 1000 mark. And please like and share if you actually find this helpful. So hope to see you guys soon, and take care in the stupid lockdown, and wish to see you next time. Bye bye.